In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in Microsoft Planner. If you're collaborating with a team and want other people to access your plan, Microsoft Planner makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to invite someone to join a plan so they can view and work on it with you. To get started, open the plan in Microsoft Planner that you want to share. Once you're on the main board view, look toward the top area of the screen for the share option. Go ahead and click on Share. This opens the sharing flow and is the first step to inviting others into your plan. After that, you may see another share prompt or button appear. Click on Share again to continue. Microsoft sometimes uses a second confirmation step here to bring up the member invitation window, so don't worry if it feels a little repetitive. It's just guiding you into the correct sharing panel. Now that the Add Members field is visible, click into it and type the email address of the person you want to invite. As you type, Microsoft Planner may show matching suggestions, especially if the person is already part of your organization. If that happens, simply select the correct person from the list. Make sure the email address is accurate, since this determines who receives access to the plan. Once the right email is entered, click Add. This sends the invitation and adds that person as a member of the plan. After they've been added, they should be able to access the plan and begin collaborating, depending on your organization's Microsoft 365 settings and permissions. A helpful tip here is to double check that you're adding the correct person before clicking Add, especially if several team members have similar names. It's also a good idea to confirm that the person actually needs access to this specific plan, so your workspace stays organized and only includes relevant collaborators. And that's it. The process is simply to click Share, click Share again if prompted, type the person's email in the Add Members field, and then click Add. Once you've done that, your Microsoft Planner plan is ready for teamwork. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and confidently add members in Microsoft Planner.